In this video, I'm going to talk about a meme page or a theme page that was bought by Warner Music for $85 million. What it means for your growing Instagram theme page or meme page, and how you can actually grow yours. As you can see, if you look at my analytics, in the past 7 days, I had this amount of account reach. My Instagram indicators are sort of green, and I am going to show you a new trick, a brand new trick that is actually going to help you grow your Instagram faster, which is Instagram Reels. Stay tuned. Let's talk about the page that was sold for $85 million. It is Daquan. Yes, Daquan. It is one of the funniest meme page on Instagram, and this page was bought for $85 million by Warner Music Group. Now, what you might think, why do they buy a company that owns Daquan for $85 million? Why? It's because, like I always say in my Instagram videos, and it's been a while I haven't done an Instagram videos, but the purpose is this: Instagram has more than 1 billion users, and this account Daquan is owned by a company called IMGN, and actually they reach about 3 billion people per month. Like, they have about 3 billion views per month, 40 million users across all their accounts. Here on Daquan, 15 million, and across all other accounts that they have. 85% of their audience is Gen Z and young millennial. And so you understand that even if Warner Bros or Warner Music, that is a music company, buys Daquan, a meme page, is because there is so much data in 3 billion users per month, or 3 billion views per month. This is why you should actually grow your Instagram theme page or meme page. And in my channel, if you head over my channel and you look at the Instagram playlist, I cover different videos on actually how to grow your first 100 followers on Instagram in 2 days, how to grow an Instagram meme page. I have several videos on Instagram that can help you. So head over my channel, watch some of those videos, and grow your Instagram. When you do some research on the company IMGN, it is actually a tech media company specialized in producing and programming social content for Gen Z audience. And so they own and operate about 14 distinct media brands with an overall reach of 40 million followers. Featured, you have Daquan, you have Try Hard, So Satisfying, and a lot more. This is their website. I'm going to put their website in the description so you can actually check their website and understand that you have to grow a theme page. You have to keep posting on TikTok, on Instagram, on Snapchat. Grow these accounts and aim for the long term, because you don't know when that might actually be beneficial. Essentially, what a theme page is a page that reposts pictures or videos in a specific niche from different creators, but actually gives credit. If I take the example of this one, it has about 5,000 likes, and across the people that will like this video a lot, and I give credit here, and across the people that like the video, a bunch of them will click. You see, a lot of people will check the account because I gave credit, and they will actually check other picture of the creator, and they might just follow the creator. As you can see, the average number of like the creator get, it is about 500, 600, 800, but people, after seeing this, after liking this picture, they might definitely check out the creator and like other pictures. So this is what it is like, and it's very simple. I grew several theme pages and sold them, and I just decided to keep this one because I really love the interaction on this page. And if it grows to millions, and 10 years from now, who knows, I might sell it for a good amount of money, because, you know, I might be contacted by a wildlife organization that wants to buy the page. Don't wait, start now.
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Create a theme page, create a meme page. You don't need to put your face out there in that theme page. You just choose a niche. It can be lions, it can be tigers, it can be birds, it can be memes, it can be anything. it can be water, it can be nature, it can be travel. So for example, search travel and you click on best vacation. This page literally has 5 million followers, most likely from just reposting other people pictures that travel across the globe. Okay, this is a travel page. You can start a travel page, you can start any type of page, grow them to some level, and then sell it if you want. Now, what a lot of people do wrong, and that I did wrong in the past as well, is that once we get to like 50k, 100k, we go and sell them. But if you wait for the long term, you can actually sell it for more. So my advice for you is just grow them for the long term. Now, and like I said, you can go back and watch my Instagram videos. There are tools, free tools that I actually show you that you can use to start growing your Instagram fast. As you can see on my own account, I have about 172,000 followers. The trend is growing because I am figuring out a tip that increases my engagement, and that actually allows me to gain more followers. In what it means for the theme page industry, it is a good indicator because actually you can grow your theme page, you can grow your meme page, or it can be a lion page, it can be any type of page that actually drives an audience to that page. You're most likely to be contacted somewhere in the future when you reach millions of followers. You're most likely going to get contacted by someone or a company to just buy your account, because that is data. If you head over my analytics, and there is an increase in 59.9% of the number of account reach, and so you understand that this is data for any company that wants to sell. And on a personal level, I have also made some money just from growing this Lions account. I have received offers from people that offered me $2,000, but I did not want to sell just because I think I can make more in the long term if I keep growing it to millions. And so for me, it is a long-term game, but also I love Lions, so I don't want to sell this account. But once in a while, I'm actually able to sell Lions items or any type of item because people love the product, so they can actually buy stuff. So you have multiple ways to actually monetize your account once you grow it to some standard, to some level. Now let's get into the trick that I was talking in the beginning that can help you to grow your Instagram fast if you have already started. It is called Reels. This is Reels, and as you can see, if you look at the interaction of the account of the videos, the few videos that I posted on Reels, you can see that I have a good amount of views from Reels. And Reels is another TikTok substitute, or it's an alternative from TikTok. So just look at this. If I click on the search button, right, first thing you have in the explore page, you have a Reels video. And Reels is blowing up, and you need to start posting on Reels now. And you can repost other people content as well on Reels, but giving them credit. Or if you have your own videos, you can do that. Now, how does it work? How do you post a Reels? It is very easy to post on Reels. Suppose I have my Lions account, for example, and this is the explore page. That means the pictures or the videos in this page are actually really interesting. So if I open this video, for example, it has 125,000 views. So this account probably got a lot of followers and likes from that video. So if I want to repost that on Reels, how do I do it? You just save the video on your phone. I just saved it on my phone, and I come here, I go back on my account, and you go on the home page, and that you see that camera up here, you click on that camera up here, and what you have now, you have live story and Reels. Reels, like I said, is an alternative to TikTok, and so it's blowing up right now because there is less content on Reels than the normal Instagram. But now you click on Reels, and then what you do is that you just click right here on that image. That means you can import that video. See, that is the sound. Now you can change the scale. click on add. It is already added right here. Now what you do, you click on done, and then you click on music. You can change the music. Like I said, it's like TikTok, so you have a huge library of music that you can substitute it for. Suppose, for example, suppose you want to replace it with, I don't know, another music. You have so many genre and library that you can choose from. And then I'll click on done. And then after that, you click back on that video right here. Now it has changed the background of the music. And then what you do is that you click on done, and then you press this button. You click on next. That allows you to now post that video on your feed and on Reels. That's susceptible to blow up because it will be posted on 2 different places, Reels and on your feed. Now you click on next, and you see here you can share it on your feed, but also not on your feed. And you just write whatever you want here. Now you see, I just posted a very short description, inspirational father baby moment, follow Lions Ride for Lions video. It's going to be in the explore page. You don't want to post something too long. You want to post something short, nice, that people can just come back on your page and click. And you can change the cover. If you have, for example, another lion picture, you can add from gallery. And then I click on share. As you can see now, this is posted on my feed. Okay, if I go back on my channel, you see now it's posted on my feed, but it has that Reels up here. You see the difference between somewhere that I post on here. I did not post on Reels, that's why you don't have that logo up here, but when I post on Reels, you have that logo up here. And after you post your first video, that logo will appear here in your account, where people, after they visit your account, they can literally click here and start watching all the short videos that you posted on your account. All the videos that I post on Reels actually have more views than the one that I post only in my account. And that's why you need to also start posting on Reels and on IGTV. Post as well on IGTV. I've been neglecting IGTV for a while now, but now I realized that Instagram is about to monetize IGTV. So the people that actually post on IGTV long form videos greater than a minute and more can actually start monetizing the videos in the long term. They're going to start rolling that out across creators. So you want to make sure you grow your Instagram. I have created several videos on Instagram. This is what I wanted to show you today, that the Instagram theme page is about to blow up. And so you want to make sure that you jump the train and that you don't get left behind. I know it seems hard to grow on Instagram, but if I have done it, you can do it as well.
Do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
I started from nothing and nobody taught me anything. I learned everything by myself, and I am sharing with you today. So start now. You will not regret later. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.